Welcome back to Baking Soda Kitchen. Hope you are doing well today. Today we are going to make drumstick leaves curry. Before that, please subscribe to Baking Soda Kitchen for interesting recipes. Let's find out some of the health benefits of drumstick leaves. First will be it controls blood sugar levels. Next, it reduces high blood pressure. Then reduces high cholesterol level and boost up immune system. Especially in this period, we need to improve our immune system. And also rich in antioxidants and cures constipation. And there are many more benefits which I did not mention. So now these are the ingredients required for the drumstick leaves curry. For this recipe we need 1.5 cups drumstick leaves, 1 onion finely chopped, and 1 tomato which I cubed, half cup of tur dal I soaked in water for about 15 to 20 minutes, 1 small tamarind also I soaked in water, 1.5 tablespoon of coconut, half teaspoon of mustard and half teaspoon of urad dal, and about half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next will be 1.5 tablespoon of sambar powder and a pinch of asafoetida. So let's get started. In a pressure cooker, I'm going to put the tur dal and cook it for about 4 to 5 whistles. Add about 2 cups of water. Put the lid on and then cook for about 4 to 5 whistles. So now we're going to grind this in a blender. I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoon of coconut and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So let's grind it, and then I'm going to add some water and grind into a smooth paste. So now our dal is ready. I'm going to smash it with my smasher. Add about half teaspoon of turmeric powder to the dal and add the chopped onions and add the tomatoes as well. And add our 1.5 cups of drumstick leaves. Give a good mix. I'm going to add about half cup of water. You can adjust the consistency by adding more water. And simmer it, let it boil and cook well. You can see now it actually cooked very well. Now I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of sambar powder and add the tamarind water. Remove the pulp and just add the water. Mix it well. Add salt to your preference. Mix nicely and let it boil for a while. and add the paste which we grinded earlier. Now we are going to do the tempering. For tempering, I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Add the pinch of asafoetida and add the half teaspoon of mustard seeds and urad dal. Wait for it to splutter. Add this to the gravy which we prepared. And then let's bring it to boil just for 2 to 3 minutes. The gravy is ready. It looks yummy. Actually guys, it's very easy to do. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe down below. I will see you in my next recipe. Bye for now.